Today, we are talking about something everyone has to do: grocery shopping. Maya, you just got back from the supermarket, right?
Yes, I did. My fridge was completely empty, so I had to do a big shop.
I hate when that happens. So, talk us through it. How did it start?
Well, first I grabbed a shopping cart because I knew I needed a lot of things. I walked straight to the produce section.
That is the healthy section. What did you buy?
The apples looked amazing today. They were so red and shiny. So I picked out 4 or 5 of them.
Did you check them first? I always check for bruises.
Oh, definitely. I inspected them carefully. I hate soft apples. I put them in a reusable bag and weighed them on the scale.
Good for you using a reusable bag. Saving the planet.
Then, I smelled something delicious.
Let me guess. The bakery?
Exactly. The smell of fresh bread was everywhere. I couldn't resist. I bought a loaf of sourdough bread.
Yum. Did you get anything sweet?
Well, I saw these huge chocolate chip cookies on the table.
Oh no, the impulse buy.
I tried to walk away, Alex, I really did, but they looked so soft. So I threw a box into the cart.
Hey, you have to treat yourself sometimes. So after you got your milk and cereal, did you go to the checkout?
Yes, the lines were actually quite short. I put everything on the conveyor belt and used the divider bar. I paid with my credit card. I just tapped it on the machine. It's so much faster than cash.
Totally agree. Then you packed your bags?
Yep, heavy stuff on the bottom, eggs on top. Then I walked out into the sunset. Mission accomplished.
Okay, great story, Maya. Let's look at 3 key phrases from today's conversation for our listeners.
Phrase number 1, produce section. This is the part of the store where you find fresh fruits and vegetables.
Phrase number 2 is impulse buy. This is when you buy something you didn't plan to buy, usually because it looks good, like candy or cookies.
Phrase number 3, treat yourself. This means doing something nice for yourself, to make yourself happy.
That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe for more real English practice.
See you next time.